everybody, it's Amber and I've missed you so much. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope that 2023 has started off great for all of you and that you're in your craft room creating or wherever you create. I hope that you are finding the simple joys and that this year has started off happy for you. I want to tell you a little bit about the project that I'm going to be making here. So when I left my old house, I of course went through every single thing in my craft room, and I am somebody who thinks that every little piece of paper can be used for something. I have a hard time throwing away scraps. For this particular project, what I did is I gathered all the scraps they were all on my craft desk when I cleaned up to move out of my old house. So what I did is I put them in a Ziploc and I decided I was gonna pile them up and make something out of them. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm making some upcycled, kind of artsy and cute. They could be Valentine's, or I just use them for every day. So these are, I love making stuff like this because it's made from essentially trash, but really it's not. It's actually super beautiful and creative, and you can do the same thing with your scraps. So if you're cutting down paper or ripping paper or using, vintage sheets of paper or book pages, save your scraps because you can make something beautiful out of it. So I'm just gonna kind of let the video play, give you a little bit of a channel and life update, and play some nice music for you, and I'm so glad you're here. As a lot of you know, I have not filmed a video since the middle of December because we bought a new house and it was so much work to get our old house packed up and get everything moved into the new house. I have a brand new craft room and it's so big. Well, big for me because my old craft room in the old house was just a little tiny room shared with my home office and shared with a lot of our overflow because we outgrew our old house. So me and my husband are super happy in our new house. Not everything is unpacked yet. We're still getting there, deciding on what we want to decorate the walls with and everything, but we basically started 100% from scratch, almost 100%. We got new furniture, new bed. We actually have a dedicated guest room, so we had to fully furnish that. We got new mattresses, and I am so excited to start decorating, and I'm most excited to finish up unpacking my craft room and getting it together. So I didn't want to wait any longer to get some videos out. So I made myself a cute little temporary crafting station until I can get the rest of my furniture put together in the craft room, get everything unpacked and organized the way I like it. So coming up on my channel, I'm gonna turn up the content just as much as I can, and then once I get my craft room completed, watch out because I'm going to really be putting out a lot of videos, simple tutorials, and of course craft fair ideas and everything like that. But right now I was really into doing some like happy mail kind of galentine ideas for Valentine's Day. And I think that this time of year is so fun to craft. You can get out and send your friends mail. You can make little kits to send them so they can make something. And that's kind of what this series is going to be about. So thank you so much for hanging in there with me and for being in this community. It's so wonderful. You can just relax, get yourself a cup of coffee or tea, and watch my video or craft right along with me. So thanks again for being here. I hope you enjoyed this project.